Hello all, welcome to my channel once again. As you read the title that I have got 100 plus subscribers in just 60 days. So I uploaded my first video on 25th of September and 25th of November I got a notification that I have completed 100 subscribers. So this video will be in two parts. First part I'll talk about feedback I have received from this 100 plus subscriber family, and second part I will talk about what are the changes that you need to make in YouTube settings in order to get your customs URL. So let's start with the feedback of the viewers. I know my subscriber numbers are much smaller than some of you are having, but still I would like to make this particular video just to thank each and every subscriber of my channel. Some of them I know personally, some of them I do not know, but I believe they got some value from some of my videos, so that's why they clicked on the subscribe button. I never thought that I will speak over camera and 100 plus people will listen to me. It's a great feeling, and I encourage that everybody should have their own YouTube channel. You know, earlier good old days we used to have diaries, but now in digital era we have YouTube as our digital diary. You know, sometimes even I visit my old videos or old YouTube videos and I feel good about it, that it's just refresh my memories. So yeah, wherever your interest is, I believe everybody should have their own YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm listening to all feedbacks. I'm trying to incorporate all the inputs that's been given to me. So I'd like to share a couple of feedbacks that I have got from the viewers. The first feedback I've got, I'm not showing food plaza and the fuel station in my blogs. So I have made a note of it. So next time definitely I will ensure that I capture all the refreshments and the fuel stations on the go. The second feedback I got, too much of roads and I'm not showing my face. Well, I was not aware of these requirements, but definitely I will try to do a video on video kind of box video within the video, just to have both the scene captured. Third feedback what I got, can I speak in Hindi and English, because this is the most of the people actually requested me to speak in both Hindi and English. So probably in my upcoming blogs you will find both Hindi and English. So it will not be completely Hindi or English blogs, but in between I'll try to speak some Hindis, some words in Hindi and something in English. The fourth feedback I got, that I'm not showing the lunch and dinner places. Initially I was skeptical because I thought this is a travel blog and showing too much of food may not be interesting for the people who are actually liking travel. But later I figured out that food is also a part of it must have in your travel blog. So definitely going forward I'll try to incorporate that. The fifth feedback I got, I would say the question I always get, that which camera or equipments I'm using to shoot the videos. So it's very simple. I'm using my mobile, that is Samsung M51, and I am using Monarch mic and some tripods. So it's very simple. I should have given all the links in my description, so but going forward I'll do that. The sixth feedback, which is very interesting one, and I got from a lot of people, that I'm not asking people to subscribe to my channel or like my channel. I was going by my mind, because if I like something, definitely I would subscribe and hit the like button. But over the period of time when I actually tracking my video analytics, I found that one of the video is having almost 3,000 views, but very few likes and subscribers came from that particular video. So it is important that I should ask to subscribe and click like button, because sometimes even though people like the video, they forget to click on the subscribe or like button. So yeah, I'll incorporate from this video only. So if you like this video and if you're watching till this far, please hit the subscribe button and please click on the like. Please do feel free to share. The last feedback what I have got, a request came for more unexplored places. So I have a couple of upcoming travel plan in my kitty, I cannot go right now because of my son's exams are going on. So as soon as it's over, then I'll try to visit some not so famous places, but yeah, very interesting places. So yeah, those are the feedbacks I've got from 100 plus subscriber family, and I'm sure if anyone is planning to open a travel blog, they should concentrate on this kind of feedback, and if they can address it from at the beginning, it's nothing like it. So I'm learning from the hard way. So yeah, thanks for bearing with me. And I would like to say that I have traveled many places, including 3 international destinations and more than 20 domestic destinations. But I've never thought that I should have a blog. Every time I go to some other channels and try to get my required information, so I never got a single blog or single channel where I'll get all my information or queries addressed. So that actually triggered to have my own blog. And also still I was skeptical that as I said, that who is going to listen to me over the camera. But my wife was a big encouragement in this segment. So she said that you should start your own blog. So yeah, right now I did it and I got 100 plus subscribers. So that's big number for me, and I would like to thank each and every subscriber from bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thanks once again. So great power comes with great responsibility. Now I know that this 100 plus subscribers in my kitty who are expecting more and more quality stuff from my blog. Now to cater that, I got this DJI Osmo Pocket blogging camera, and definitely I will show you the unboxing and the picture quality and the video footage quality in my next vlog. So please stay tuned, and as I said, that please subscribe this channel to see that how the camera looks like. And so now we'll move to the next segment of my video. So what are the settings that you need to change, or you need to look for to get your custom URL once you reach 100 subscribers. So let's get into my laptop screen.
Alright, so let's start the process. Get into YouTube Studio. From your left hand panel, search for Customization tab. Once you click on Customization tab, it will open this window where you will see Basic tool. Click on that and scroll down a little bit. You will find the Custom URL section. Now, to know the requirements, click on Learn More. This actually takes you to YouTube's official website where you can find the requirements to get your custom URL. So the requirement says that your channel should be at least 30 days old, you should have 100 subscribers, you should have a channel banner and a profile picture. So these are the basic requirements. If you do not know where to find the channel banner, click on branding. Here you will find both channel icon and channel banner. You can make the changes. So once you're sure that you have met all the criteria, just get back to the URL section and click on the below tab where you will find some suggestion from YouTube based on your channel name, or you can have your own URL, whichever you like. So once you set your URL as per your choice, make sure you are clicking on the publish button and it will ask for your confirmation. So once you click on the confirm, it's done. Now you have a specialized URL for your channel. You can copy this link and paste it in your web browser to see that how the channel looks like. So yeah, this is a pretty much simple process, and YouTube provides us a customized or personalized URL once we reach 100 subscribers. So the benefit of it is it's very easy to circulate your channel. You can tell anybody that go to YouTube/your channel name to find it. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in some other video then. Take care. Bye bye.